Hi everyone. In this video we're going to be discussing Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts is a well-known vegetable that is enjoyed by many mothers around the world, less so by their children. The consumption of Brussels sprouts, however, could be halachically problematic. Unfortunately, Brussels sprouts tend to have large infestations of many different types of bugs. Because of the way the Brussels sprout grows, it grows in a very tight ball. It is nearly impossible to clean out the Brussels sprout to allow for its consumption. Now let's take a look at some of the infestations you might find in a Brussels sprout. So here we did a shmat bedika on our Brussels sprouts, a very small box of Brussels sprouts. In just around half a box, there were dozens upon dozens of thrips. You can see here adult thrips, baby thrips, thrips of various colors and species. Unfortunately, just in one little Brussels sprout, you could find multiple thrips. It was a very serious infestation, and this is the standard. It's very common to find such things in Brussels sprouts. But besides the Brussels sprouts, besides the thrips, we also found some mites, including this mesostigmata mite, which is a type of predatory mite. Now that we've seen the infestations you might find in a Brussels sprout, let's discuss how or if there's a way to properly clean them. Because of the way Brussels sprouts grow in a very closed ball, unfortunately there is no way to leave a Brussels sprout whole and use it. Unfortunately, to properly clean a Brussels sprout, one would have to remove every leaf of the Brussels sprouts individually, soak it in soapy water for 3 to 5 minutes, and then scrub it down with your hand or a sponge under running water. Unfortunately, with Brussels sprouts, that tends to be a little bit tedious, and most people don't really want to do that, but unfortunately, in the case of Brussels sprouts, there isn't any other option. With this information, we should all be zoche to either eat or not eat our Brussels sprouts the way the Ribono Shel Olam intended.